Okay, we're going to show some really good go-to wrist extension exercises. Specifically, you're just weaker in your brachial radialis, any of these extensors here. Also, just a really good exercise for your forearm. So I'm going to have my elbow kind of pinned against my torso here. Hannah's showing you this with the physio band. You're just kind of counterbalancing with your off hand. Okay, and then your active hand's going to kind of just flex in. Your wrist going to extend out. Okay, so I'm just really activating all the connective tissue around my elbow. Again, really, really good if you have golfer's elbow. Show you from the side. And if you want to make the tension a little bit more, you can just kind of spread your hands a little further, get a bit more band tension, have a little more stimulus on those muscles. Okay, so again, we're going to go for higher volume here and promote a lot of blood flow to these areas. So we're going for about 15 to 20 reps. Get a really nice burn through your forearm.
It's burning.
Good.
So let's do our wrist extension mobility exercises. So placing the fingertips facing the knees in a tabletop position, you are going to gently lean back just into the point where your body is able to handle this. We are not going to extreme pain. Why this exercise is so important is a lot of us suffer from carpal tunnel, or we get golfer's elbow or tennis elbow. Many times this originates from tight extensor muscles. So gently rocking back, holding for a second, coming back. This is going to allow loosening of the muscles so that you can have more mobility and recover faster. We're going to do 15 sets of these, both hands at the same time. So now working on our wrist flexors, your palms are going to be facing up with the back of your hands facing the ground. Gentle pressure here. Same motion, you're going to lean back with your butt going towards your heels, which is going to put more pressure and increase the stretch along those muscles. This is also very important if you have any elbow injuries. It's going to allow loosening of those muscles around the joint. You're going to try to do 15 sets of them. Each set should be about a second or two.